Here we are. I do video that I fix my washing machine. Laya di mong gipuyan ano?
Ha?
Laya di mong gipuyan.
Lay po.
Asa?
Nasa bang sampol.
Sampol? Layo di ay. Dugay na nga washing mo. Oh, 17 anyos na. Ako na. Nang, ila na edad ni Darwin. Daril.
Ngayon pa na ayos.
Oo.
Ilang years na?
19.
90 years?
Oh, my washing machine is 19 years old. Old. Imong dugangan? Dah nabuka na nong.
Ha?
Nabuka. Niligto.
Hindi na sa taon di mabuksan.
Timer na. O lagi kayo magsigiman lang sa tuyok.
Sino eh?
Oo. Di na mamubalik. Na timer. Patuyok. Ikot lang ng ikot. Aywan, agad mo balik.
Ba na. Sira na siya.
Kuba na?
Kuyawa po na mong kuan niya. Taras pilis man po.
Hindi po. Hindi na sulod.
Saan mo?
And that.
Napahihin mo dyan po day kaya. Pilis. Dilap ko. Mali maghihatag yaw na yung payo. Kaya mo text ni mo ba? Kaya may number niya.
Ko?
This is the timer. Wala ba tubig?
Ano ba tubig ya? Saan pagka-try? Ganun.
Ito rin. Ito ba ito?
Han? 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 Come out. I did a talk. I don't know how to talk, Han. Maybe try me to me. You fix the timer.
Fixing the timer?
Yeah. Kuya, pwede mo pakiayos din yung ano doon? Yung, ayan no? Kana ba yung wire? Na ba? Oo, kana.
Oo, na.
Kana.
What's your name, hon?
Are you talking there, Han?
Are you shy for talking talk?
Yeah, I'm shy to talk.
Well, you ought to have,
No,
you ought to have,
maybe,
you
honey,
ought to have fire talk.
Troy, honey. Troy mean to me, honey.
Try to be mean to you?
You, Troy, in YouTube.
No, I'm not going to be mean to you on YouTube. Try to be mean to you on YouTube, huh?
Yeah, mean. Listen ba? Sabi di YouTube, honey. That is your fault, honey. You make me crazy, Han. Oh, you told the honey, Myra's boyfriend.
Yeah, Myra got all mad because I made a mistake, and in my hurry to write my description, I said Myra's boyfriend lost the computer. It's Myra's friend's boyfriend lost the computer.
See? You mean to me,
And she has a friend that went to meet an American, and he lost his, or didn't lose it. He had his tablet stolen at the airport. But in my description, I said, Myra's boyfriend. And she's been beating on me 2 days over that now.
I thought that is 19 years old washing machine, honey.
Is it 19 years
Yeah,
old?
19 years old. Dari rasa yang honey. Pero
How are you doing?
mayo jud ka mo gamit, manampingon kad magdugay man jud ang gamit, di ba no?
How are you doing? You got bumped in the head. Look at it. Look at her bunk in the head.
Yeah.
Look at her bunk in
No.
the head. She was
No.
in a trike that tried to fight with a jeepney.
Jeepney. And then you know what happened? Yeah, Faye. Don't worry, Ate Myra, don't worry. It's a fire to the intestine.
That's pretty mean for her, wasn't it?
Yes.
Oh man.
I got mad, honey. I got mad. They laughing, honey.
Oh yeah.
I said, why you don't send me? He said, why don't you call? Why don't you you can't do anything?
Extension wire, wala ka.
Ano? Because I want to.
Yeah, here.
Another station, you ano there?
The one on the table.
Yeah.
Guys, kung ditong nagliligad eh. Kang sa ato.
Sana.
Last week.
Ah. Sige. Isaksak na ibili na diri. Oh, nakuha naman lagi na.
Nabungkol na na.
Ha? Nabungkag man na.
Kaya?
Eh, pwede na.
You broke my extension.
I didn't break nothing, huh?
Look, oh.
What?
Maybe you pulled, I feel, ano.
Yung sakit pa ya?
Saksak.
No, if it broke on it, I hate to tell you, you did. I never touched it. I never used that. What is broken
Sige.
on it?
Saksak.
Hindi mo.
Na.
Oh, I see the end of it.
Oh,
Cracked.
hindi. I cook next door.
See, Myra's mean to me. She said I broke her extension. She's the main one.
Look, honey, this is